Freebuds 3i is the latest mid-range alternative for the Freebuds 3 which was released last year, and I have made a review video about the same. I will put down the link in the description as well as in the cards above. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Also follow me on my social media handles too. Alright, let's start the video. In comparison to the Freebuds 3, the in-ear style of Freebuds 3i comes with flexible silicone tips in 4 different sizes. These provides better seal and sound for users. The device is available in 2 colors, carbon black and ceramic white. I have the later one here. It sports a new fill-shaped design. Huawei Freebuds 3i are 5.5 grams lightweight and feel comfortable. Yes, the smooth finish is slightly plasticky and shiny, but build quality gives no reason to fear or worry. They didn't fall down, and the long stems help them to stay in place. The lightweight construction meant that buds are sufficiently comfortable to wear for extended periods. The back of each earbud carries a capacitive touch sensor. Double tap to pause the media and answer the calls, or hold your finger there to turn on and off the noise cancelling. It's simple and reliable. Similar to the Freebuds 3, touch controls can be customized through the Huawei AI Life app, but still no voice control option, which is a disappointment. Pairing and wear recognition work much more logical. If you are on the Huawei device running EMUI 10 or above, then just turn on the Bluetooth and open the lid to pair. If not, then you can simply hold the button to pair. Once it's connected, then it will connect automatically whenever you open the case while the Bluetooth is on. Like the AirPods Pro, Huawei's wireless buds are fitted with microphone that faces outside to detect background sound and another one within the ear. The noise cancellation pair reduces ambient noise to 32 dB. Combining twin mic sound cancellation and a third stem microphone makes the Freebuds 3i a great alternative to talk with your friends. ANC works well to suppress most level background sounds during a call. AI Life lets you manage all of your smart devices in one place. Firmware updates and touch control settings and much more. But note that there is no transparency mode, and contrary to Freebuds 3, the level of the noise cancellation cannot be changed by the user. ANC is on and off, but for the price, that's not a big concern. So what's the price? It was launched in UK with a price of £90. In Bahrain, it costs 38 BD, and soon it will be available in Indian market. I'm guessing a price point of 5 to 6k. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More amazing contents are lined up for you. With the Bluetooth 5.0 and 10mm dynamic driver, the bass levels are lighter compared to the Freebuds 3, which had 14mm driver, but with mids and trebles are clear but perhaps too powerful. The overall sound quality is good, and for the price, I should say it's better. Compared to the lower price earbuds like the Redmi Earbud S and the Realme Earbuds Q, the sound quality is outstanding considering the price point, which includes the ANC and awareness, that is the ambience mode. Huawei has reshaped the Freebuds 3i charging case. The downside is pretty big battery life decrease. With ANC activated, you will have an average of about 3 hours. It takes an hour to charge full. The case will provide approximately 14 hours of playback, much less than the 20 hours of Freebuds 3 case. But still, it's very good for the price point. Huawei Freebuds 3i are AirPods Pro on paper for those not paying Apple costs. Freebuds 3i looks like one of the best budget choice with ANC. For the price point, it is a fantastic lightweight wireless in ears with excellent noise reduction, stable pairing and smart auto pause. So that's it from me today. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my social media handles. With that being said, this is Manish and you're watching TechnSpice. We'll meet you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye.